I'm gonna cry. I can't, like, no, I don't believe it at all. Stop videotaping.
It's true.
Yes, it's my favorite color. Oh, you are so sneaky. Yeah, it's my favorite color. Oh my god.
Well, get in it.
Okay.
Still have a headache, baby?
I can't. What? Are you serious? Oh my god. It's so cool. Oh my god. Thank you so much. It's beeping at me. Thank you so much. Oh, my mom just broke her phone. Oh my god.
Drop it.
I can't believe this. Why are you still videotaping me?
So Dave and Vilma can see you.
I already got it. Oh my god. Okay, thanks, Grandma. Until Monday? Well, that's good. That means I can still go out this weekend. I'm just kidding. Oh my goodness. Thank you. I don't know what to say. I'm freaking out. I can't believe I have a new car.
Brand new. It's got 15 miles on it.
Oh my god. I can't. This is. I have a remote control on my keychain.
And it works.
And it worked. Like, oh my gosh. It even run. Wait, the windshield wipers work and they're not going to break in the thunderstorm? That's awesome. That's like a big deal for me. Oh my god. I'll call you back. I'm in shock right now. I love you so much. Thank you. Love you guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.